In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a page from not linked and make it live in Squarespace. If you have a page sitting in the not linked section, that usually means the page exists on your site, but it is not currently visible in your main website navigation. This is useful when you're still building a page and don't want visitors to see it yet. Once you're ready to publish it more visibly, you can move it into your main navigation so people can access it directly from your site menu. To begin, go to your Squarespace dashboard and click Website. This will take you into the main area where you manage your site's structure, design, and content. If you're new to Squarespace, this is one of the key sections you'll use most often because it's where the overall organization of your website is controlled. Next, click Pages. This opens the full page panel where you can see how your website is arranged. In this area, you'll typically find sections such as Main Navigation, which displays pages. Visitors can see in your site's menu and Not Linked, which stores pages that are not currently shown in that navigation. Seeing a page under Not Linked does not necessarily mean it's deleted or inactive. It simply means it's not being featured in your visible menu. Now locate the page you want to make live from the Not Linked section. Once you find it, click and hold the page. Then drag it upward and drop it into the main navigation section. This drag and drop action is what changes its placement in your site's structure. As soon as it's moved there, the page becomes part of your visible navigation, which means visitors can now find it from your site's menu. When you're doing this, take a moment to place the page in the exact position you want within the navigation. The order matters because it affects how your menu appears to visitors. If needed, you can continue dragging pages around until everything is organized the way you want. And that's it. By moving a page from not linked into main navigation, you've made that page live and accessible through your website menu in Squarespace. It's a very quick change, but it's an important one whenever you're ready to publish a page more publicly. If you're updating your site regularly, this is a simple workflow that can help you build pages privately first and then make them visible only when they're ready.